Ah, yes. Good morning, guys. This is either one of the ballsiest things I've ever done, stupidest things I've ever done, but something I'm going to do. So we're taking the C8 in to get the transmission done, changed, and I was going to trailer it, but you need a special permit for trailering it, and da-da-da-da-da. So then I thought, fuck it. Oops. I'm just going to drive it. I've got the all-season tires on it, and I tried moving it in the snow, and it did amazingly well. Now it's really cold out. It's about minus 20 or so. So Celsius, and so yeah, we're just gonna give her. There's the highway is clear, which is handy. Otherwise I wouldn't do this. All the side roads are plowed. So at the end of the day, it is just a car. And I don't have an enclosed trailer. So yeah, let's give it a whirl. There we go. We got the tender unhooked. These cars seem to really need to be on the tender. But at the end of the day, it is just a car. And there's things that I am disappointed about with it. I mean, I love it immensely. It's such a awesome experience, but I seem to be having all the issues that they have had, like this continuing one of paint chipping in the corner. Now, on my C7, I had the same issue. I got the bumper painted on warranty, but it never did match. If we look at it, I don't know if you can see from down here, it's never been perfect. So, and they painted it a few times. So if it's just a chip, I'm just gonna touch up the chip every time it pops up. Anyways, let's start this baby up. I mean, it's got a heated steering wheel, right? So loud and it sounds so good. Well, let's go see how it performs in the snow. Okay. Heated steering wheel on. It's still in reverse. I do have the all seasons, which say they work in winter. Traction control off. Of course, I'm already stuck. Probably because my tires are warm. There we go. Just need a little momentum. I'm a skilled winter driver, so The trailer I have, it's an open top trailer. It's Dad's trailer, so it'd be better if I had an enclosed trailer, which I don't have. And of course, in Prince George, trying to find one or rent one. Yeah, see, now the road's just snowy. Slippery, but it's fine. I got this. Just be careful. That's the biggest thing. You know, as long as you don't spin out your tires. Let's do a panic stop. But actually stops pretty good. Not gonna lie. Doesn't stop like it's got studded snow tires on it or anything, but I'm definitely trailering at home though, because it's supposed to snow, and we've just proven that a little bit of snow on the ground, doesn't like it. Compact, like bare or plowed roads, it's okay. It's not good, but you'll get there. So that's what we're doing. We're getting there. The one thing by doing it this way is, then we have the car for next summer. So might as well just get it done. It would have been nice if I could have got it done a little sooner. They say it's only going to take 2 days. I kind of call BS, but you never know. I mean, that's one thing with the like having subframes and stuff like that. Maybe they will get it done in 2 days, so maybe. I don't think this car has a weather mode either. My mode. Oh yeah, we got weather mode. There we go. It's in weather mode now. It's got a little snowflake on it. So you got a little snowflake. That's fine, see? So yeah, see? We got bare roads. It's, well, it's -9 it's showing right now. Maybe it's only -9 because it's supposed to snow. But I don't think it's supposed to snow today. It's supposed to be a nice day, actually. So, but, yeah, we're daily driving it. Sort of, but not really. All weather mode. We're just nursing it along anyway. Woo-wee! Oh, I'm such an idiot. Just gotta be careful. Now, I used to haul logs, and I'm used to driving on icy, slippery roads. Granted, that's in a big rig, not a Corvette, but the guy just has to be careful. And this is also why I got the car fully PPF'd. So it's got PPF on everything. And it's not that far into town. And it's not like the roads have been like sandblasted. Like there's a little bit of sand on the corner, but not bad, which is good because we need it for traction. But we also don't have the sloppy slush because it's cold. Yeah, see, now it's down to -10. I thought it was -20. Yesterday it was -25. Now, sometimes the temperatures, go down as you drive, but -10 Celsius is still chilly. That's, yeah. And you know what? Just drive the freaking thing. I would feel better if I had snow tires instead of 4-season. But the nice thing is with the all-terrain, and this is why I wanted the all-terrain or all-season tires or all-terrain. What are they? All-terrain or all-season? I think they're all-season. 4-season. Which means they suck in the winter, but they're good enough to get you through. Like deep snow, even a little bit of deep snow, they won't like it. An actual snow tire would make all the difference in the world. But the kicker is, if you're stuck somewhere and the weather changes, you're going to make it to where you made it if you're just careful. With the C7, when I had, I took it out in the snow once, I thought, I'm going to rip some donuts. It wouldn't move with the summer tires on it, so it was kind of pathetic, actually. People probably think I'm crazy. Well, I am kind of crazy. I'm just not going to lie. out onto the road, no problems. I put the TC back on too. Yeah, see, now the road's bare, so we got this. We got it. Look at that. Bare and dry. Perfect winter driving weather. Oh God, there's a bird there. Thought it was a deer for a second. So anyways, let's carry on and we will get to the GM dealership. We're only 15 minutes away-ish. So one of the keys to this is I'm staying in the slow lane and I've got probably, I don't know, 9-10 car lengths between me and the car in front of me, because the lanes are basically bare. There is some sand in the center of the road, so we're just not going to go near that. And as long as I can keep people from passing me, then it won't throw anything up. Like, I don't hear anything hitting the bottom of the car right now. There has been a little bit, like on the other road, but yeah, the key is just keep your distance, take your cool, and everything will be all right. Now, getting it on a trailer to bring it home if it's snowing, well, they say we're getting like 20 centimeters of snow, which is like, I don't know, it's like a foot of snow, so we're gonna get like 2 feet of snow. Yeah, so I'm not driving home in that. Like, ain't gonna happen, because we won't make it home. But I trailer at home, but the kicker is you still need to get it on the trailer. So if the yard is plowed, I should be okay. Or maybe I'll see if I can load it in their bay, but we'll see what happens. At the end of the day, it's just a car. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, but you know, what are you gonna do? You know what? It needs a transmission, so we're getting a transmission. You know, the car's not perfect. I mean, it kind of is perfect, but you know, I showed you the chip paint on the fender, and now it's getting a new transmission with only 15,990 kilometers on it, which is so disappointing. But it is what it is, and at the end of the day, it's just a car. And damn, I'm hot in here. Oh, hey, I'm getting a call. So there we are. We made it to the Wood Wheaton Service Center. So we're golden. It's yeah, it's fine. So there you have it. Car's all dropped off. They're hoping to have it ready in 2 days. Tomorrow, end of day tomorrow. Which, if they do, I think I could still drive it home. And if they don't, we're definitely trailering it home, because we can't have any snow on the roads. And I know I just drove here and there's snow on the roads, but the highways was bare. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because you know, well, I just want to see how this goes. I kept my transmission filter, so we're gonna cut it open and see if there's anything in it, because I wanted to do that before. I'm like, it's probably not a big deal. Well, now that the transmission's done, it's kind of a big deal. Stay tuned.